For most of my grade school life, we always referred to Rizal as our national hero. National animal, Carabao. National leaf, Anahaw. National fruit, Mangga. At marami pang iba. Even in the text of the Rizal Law, Republic Act 1425 of 1956, in the preamble under the second whereas, it reads, the national hero and patriot Jose Rizal. So bakit binawi? I am Mona Magna Vilus. I hunt down ancestors and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. In 1993, President Ramos issued EO 75, creating the National Heroes Committee. It was composed of the Secretary of Education, Culture and Sports as chairman, the Secretary of Foreign Affairs, and the Secretary of National Defense as members, and the National Historical Commission as the secretariat. The committee was tasked with studying and recommending the proclamation of national heroes. The committee completed its work in 1995, recommending that Jose Rizal, Andres Bonifacio, Emilio Aguinaldo, Apolinario Mabini, Marcelo H. del Pilar, Sultan Dipatuan Kudarat, Juan Luna, Melchor Aquino, and Gabriela Silang be recognized, pero walang napili sa kanila. The committee also recommended criteria in the selection of national heroes. Our national heroes must have a concept of nation and thereafter aspire and struggle for the nation's freedom. They must have defined and contributed to a life of freedom and order for a nation, and they must have contributed to the quality of life and destiny of a nation. Parang ang hirap i-measure yung criteria nila, kaya siguro hindi umabante. The National Centennial Commission, also under Ramos, oversaw research and review of national symbols, especially the laws governing the language, flag, anthem, and seal, kasi magse-centennial na nun. These were formalized under Republic Act No. 8491, also known as the Flag and Heraldic Code of the Philippines. After both efforts, the resolve was that before something is recognized as a national symbol, kailangan may batas. Maraming bills submitted since then, pero konti lang yung may batas na. So far, National Bird, Philippine Eagle. National Gem, Philippine Pearl. National Martial Arts, Arnis. Pero balik tayo kay Rizal. I hope klaro na legally hindi siya national hero ng Pilipinas. No one is. Pero siya lang yung may batas requiring the study of his life, contributions, and literary work. Eto opinion ko. I feel who we choose as our hero is a personal choice. The government cannot mandate that. Walang pilitan. Sa totoong buhay, yung hinahangaan ko, posibleng hindi hinahangaan ng katabi ko. Who we consider heroes and why speak more about who we are and the values that are important to us. Isipin mo mabuti kung sino ang hinahangaan mo at bakit para maintindihan mo kung anong klaseng tao ka. O, diba?
Meow meow.